Hello everyone, myself Ambrish Kumar, your guide, coach, mentor at Infodal. So, suppose you are very well in website optimization, you are giving the good results as per your knowledge, and you are happy with your work. But the concern is that how will you realize your client that you are doing well? Second thing, how will you convince yourself that what you are thinking is really correct? Is there any kind of the measurement? Is there any kind of the tool that can give you good information, means trusted information? So here I bring the concept of Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a trusted tool by the Google that can be trusted by everyone. No one can deny that information in Google Analytics is wrong. So what we do, we understand that how Google Analytics is working. Before a few months, there was only one kind of the Google Analytics that is called Universal Google Analytics. But now they converted it to GA4, means Google Analytics version 4. What is the basic difference in that? Basic difference is that in the Universal Analytics, they have the different kind of the codes and different kind of the philosophy to measure the traffic on website, mobile application, and AMP pages. Means different. And the base of these is for the website is page view. Means how many people are visited your page is considered as the backbone of this report. While in the GA4, they drop this concept and bring a new concept event. Either you are seeing the page, you are scrolling the page, you are clicking anywhere, it kind of the event. So a single code means GA4 is a single code that can be utilized for all the things. Either it is the website, it is the mobile application, or anything else because it is event based analysis. So, how analytic is working? It is actually not only analytic but any kind of the tool if you are going to use, you need to first create account, then you register your website, you collect a code, you implement the code, then after a few hours you will start seeing reports. You can analyze the report, you can import the report, and you can decorate it also, and you will show to the client. So this is the entire process that I will explain you. But here I am going to give you a small glimpse that how these tools looks like. So here is Google Analytics. This is actually Universal Analytics. You can see this information is showing here. So they will drop this process by the 2023, but still we are in a 22. So there is no need to worry. We have enough time to understand this report as well as GA4 report. You can see the interface of both kind of the reports are very different. You can see that this is having customization, real-time audience, acquisition, behavior, conversion, attribute, discover, while in the GA4, they given very less. Suppose if I come to the report, then you can see explore. It take little time to bring us. Okay, so this is also having real time acquisition, engagement, monetization, retention, demographic, and take. Most of the terminologies are same but little bit different. Like here acquisition but no audience. Here acquisition and audience both are here. It's monetization, engagement, and retention. Here you find behavior, conversions that is not available here, demographic and tech. It is the part of this audience, demographic, and technology. So this is the basic difference between these two kind of the reports. And most of the time, this report is based on the event, means what kind of the events has performed. Let me show you at the home page. This is the dashboard. It is the first screen that we can see. Here you can see channel, source, medium referral, active user, user retention, user by time updates, sessions by country, session by device, pages. This is the goal section and so on. And in this, you can see the complete overview, means user, total revenue, session, event count. So this is based on the event, while this report is based on session. You can see this is based on the page views, means how many pages are viewed by the. So this is the basic difference. Both the reports are very important. Only this report having an innovative thing that is called the bounce rate, but it has no any concept of bounce rate. Just they start engagement, means how many people are engaged for a time. So these both reports will be analyzed one by one, and I will explain you that from where you can take the code from the register. So if in the old, if you are going to create a new account, then you will not find this kind of the dashboard, because this is no more supported by the Google. But yes, if you go to the admin in this old one also, and you want to create a new account here, then you will be interface like this. You can add here any testing and go to the next part. Again, you give it testing, new part, anything you can submit, and then agree for the country. That is depend what you want to measure. Now this is enough for the web, Android app and iOS. So this single code is applicable on all the platforms. So this is the very important thing in this. So I think you are able to understand what is the difference between the Universal Google Analytic and GA4. And on a website, how will you check it? Let me show you. Uh, if someone is saying that code is already there, but things are not doing well, simply you use the uh, right click anywhere of the website where you find view page source. Simply go to here and place either control F, or is there anything available like find and search. If it is not there, then press control and F to find. You can find ENELY. You can see that this is the Google Analytics. And here you find that this is the Google Analytics. So from here, you can analyze that this analytic code is working. This is UA, means Universal Analytic. And this is applicable at here. Means this is associated with the account that is here. Let me show you the number, exactly the same number it has that you seen at this. This is the UA, means Universal code that is. I just copy it from here and I am going to place it here. So you find this is the tracking. Means this page is associated with this code. So now you are clear with the Google Analytic Universal code, and you are clear about the GA code. There are some differences. And when I explain you that how to generate the code, how to place the code, and how to monitor these reports, how to create reports in a separate session. Here, just to give you a glimpse that you can monitor from here, you can analyze the data from here, you can explain the things to your client from these uh, both kind of the tools. And if anyhow possible, if you're going to place the code, then any old account if you have, then you also place the old code so that you can identify the basic difference in between these two kind of the reports. So, so this was the basic difference between the Google Universal Analytics and GA4. So these all the factors you will be learn when I explain this to in a separate class. And goal, you can show your client that all the reports are here, whatever they want is traffic from city, traffic on city, duration of every visit, so many things. And even you can track where the user exit, where people land. And you can also analyze that if your page is triggering on a very correct keyword, landing page is fine, but they are not staying or perform any kind of the activity, then you can analyze that page also, that why people are leaving without doing any kind of the activity. So these all kind of the data will help you to improve the traffic and conversion. So I hope you are sure with the analytic concept. So have a great day. Thank you.